Are you ready to meet the future of coding? Well, in this video, I am going to share the first ever AI software engineer called Devin that is created by Cognition. Firstly, Devin comes with some advanced capabilities in software development, including coding, debugging, and problem solving. Firstly, look at this demo video of Devin AI. You will notice that you can give a task to the Devin AI just like how manager give task to its software engineer. Then Devin AI will create a plan to accomplish that task. It will start writing the code, and if it requires some API information, then it will Google it, go through some website and find that information. Once again, just like human software engineer do it. Then it will run the codes, and if it finds some error, then it can add print statement and immediately fix the errors. And it will also do deployment. So basically, Devin has its own command line, its own code editor, its own browser, and here you can see it is also searching, finding the bugs, reading the prompt, and coding here too. So it can do everything for you in just a minute. The main thing to note here is the accuracy they have mentioned. You can see on the screen that ChatGPT 3.5 has 0.52% accuracy and Devin AI has 13.86% accuracy. As Devin AI is a starting model, so I think having this kind of percentage is quite significant. So if you are worried about losing your jobs, then don't be afraid. Devin AI is not here to replace you, but it is here to make your work more easier. It is a tool, not a threat. So give it a try to make your projects more easy than ever before and let Devin enhance your skills and productivity. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.